I was addicted to drugs. 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 And what I felt, it felt so good. It made me feel like I could fly. I done been through the pain, I done been through the struggle. I really was in the streets, I really had to hustle. But then I tried my drug, and then I fell in love. It made me feel so good, felt like I was above. I lost a lot of money, I lost a lot of friends. I used to get depressed and feel like it's the end. I have been through pain. I was addicted to drugs. 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 And what I felt, it felt so good. It made me feel like I could fly. Wake up and take a bump, I do not wanna sleep. Nightmares from my past, this shit get really deep. I used to shoot my guns, I was just having fun. And then I caught a case, now I'm up on the run. Dreaming of being famous, now I got what I wanted. But ain't no privacy when I go out to eat. I'm trying to raise my family without no legal problems. But every time I wake up, I got another problem. Everybody trying to sue me, they trying to take my money. Even my old friends trying to sue me for my money. I have been through pain. I was addicted to drugs. I was addicted to drugs. I was addicted to drugs. I was addicted.